All right. So what I want you to do is state your name and your age, please, sir.
Derrell Lee, and I'm 24.
24. Okay, so you recently attended the Tiff Wealth Creator Supercharge Your Business and Increase Your Profits Bootcamp.
Yes, sir.
And you got some exciting news after 30 days. What just happened?
Yeah, so after 30 days, I invested in the stock market and I learned it and I know how to do it. And I went to the boot camp and I was just investing in the stock market to make money. I never thought about teaching people or mentoring anything like that. But I went to the boot camp and I heard the idea of actually, once you learn how to do something, teach it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it sounded cool, but I didn't really think it was as powerful as it really is. But when I actually made the decision to take that advice, and I just started, going through my client base, my friends and family, and just reaching out to people to see if they wanted to learn. I got a client that paid me $1,500.
Woo!
How to invest in the stock market. So,
wow. Say that again. You got a client?
Yeah, I got a client that paid me $1,500 to teach him how to invest in the stock market.
Wow. And this after attending the boot camp, it sparked that idea for you to teach.
Yes, it did.
So why should someone, you're 24 years old, you're a part of that millennial group, why should someone 24, 34, 54 come to this boot camp and what they're going to get out of it?
You should come for exposure, and to expose yourself to ideas that you don't have already. You don't naturally have. In that boot camp, not only do you bring ideas and concepts that I've never thought of. I was speaking for myself. I just never thought of it. You also explain how to do it and how to go about doing that. And you also give the steps to make it happen. You cover every base from, acquiring the client to how to build the actual course or wherever you're into, wherever you're studying, wherever you're learning, how to actually create a product to teach other people on that. And you get the person inspired to do it. You light a fire under them too and get them motivated to actually do it. And it works. It's powerful. It worked. It worked.
And you said, are you still like mind blown?
Yeah, I'm extremely mind blown. I just didn't think it was like that easy. It really happened the way that you said it would happen. Like you make a decision, you put your mind to it, and it happens.
Well, we want to say congratulations. You're first one of many people that you're coaching. You're learning and making money from the stock market, but now you're teaching people how they can do the same. And that's another stream of income you just created. So we just want to say congratulations. And how much was that in 30 days?
$1,500 in 30 days.
$1,500 in 30 days. So they're like a Merry Christmas for you, huh?
Right.
Thank you so much, Vincent, for your testimony. And thank you for attending. You take care.